like a Hellcat.
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ प्रदीप वर्मा, द कॉमर्स गुरु। स्वागत है आप सभी का आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल कॉमर्स स्टडीज़ जोन में। तो आज है सितंबर 24, तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज के दिन के कुछ खास करंट अफेयर्स के क्वेश्चंस। सो पहला क्वेश्चन है, हु वॉन द वुमेन्स सिंगल्स टाइटल इन द इटालियन ओपन 2020? ऑप्शंस है नाओमी ओसाका, मारिया शारापोवा, देन कारोलिना प्लिस्कोवा एंड सिमोना हालेप। ये है वो जो कि इस क्वेश्चन में करेक्ट आंसर हैं और जो कि हैं ऑप्शन नंबर डी यानी सिमोना हालेप। ये उनकी फ़ोटो है। नाउ नेक्स्ट उसके एक्सप्लेनेशन में पढ़ते हैं। तो एक्सप्लेनेशन है, इन वुमेन्स सिंगल टाइटल टॉप सीड सिमोना हालेप क्लेम्ड द इटालियन ओपन इन रोम after second seed Karolina Pliskova retired from the final with injury when she was down 6-0 to 1. Let's have second question. In September 2020, Environment Ministry launched a national conservation strategy for which of the following? Great Indian Bustard, then Barasingha, then one-horned rhinoceros एंड एशियाटिक लॉयन। तो ये है, आप देख सकते हैं, जो कि करेक्ट आंसर बना आपका ऑप्शन नंबर सी यानी वन हॉर्न राइनोसोरस। ठीक है। नाउ लेट्स हैव द एक्सप्लेनेशन। यूनियन मिनिस्टर प्रकाश जावड़ेकर सेड इंडिया इज होम टू द लार्जेस्ट नंबर ऑफ ग्रेटर वन हॉर्न राइनोसोरस इन द वर्ल्ड विद पॉपुलेशन in the range of 3,000 animals in Assam, West Bengal and UP. Environment Ministry has launched a national conservation strategy for Indian one-horned rhino. Third question. Asha Lata Vavgaonkar, who passed away recently, was related to which profession? And options are author, politician, singer और actress. ये है जिनकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, जो कि हैं आशा लता वबगांवकर, और ये थी, फिलहाल आप सभी पहचानते होंगे इनको, एक एक्ट्रेस थी, मराठी एक्ट्रेस। नाउ लेट्स हैव द एक्सप्लेनेशन। नोटेड मराठी एक्ट्रेस एंड बॉलीवुड्स वेटरन कैरेक्टर आर्टिस्ट आशा लता वबगांवकर passed away due to COVID-19 infection at a hospital in Satara in Maharashtra. She was 79 years of age. Let's have the fourth question. Which of the following bank collaborated with Google to enable customers to use their cards on Google Pay platform? And options are Punjab National Bank, then State Bank of India, then ICICI Bank, then Yes Bank. And इसका correct answer है option number B यानी State Bank of India, SBI. Now let's have the explanation. India's largest credit card issuer, SBI Card, announced a collaboration with Google to enable customers to use their cards on Google Pay platform. Their payments are managed via a secure digital token that is attached to the smartphone so that no user has to share the card details with any of the vendors. Now let's have the fifth question. Two modern trains headed over to Nepal by India would run between Kurtha in Nepal to which district in India? And options है Nawada, then Purnia, Jayanagar और Katihar. The correct answer is option number C यानी कि Jayanagar. Now let's have the explanation. India has handed over two modern trains to Nepal that would run between Jayanagar in Bihar and Kurtha in Dhanusa district from mid-December, marking the beginning of the first broad gauge railway service in the Himalayan nation. Now next question जो आप देख रहे हैं इमेज में, शिप उस पर बेस्ड है। India launched first ever cargo ferry vessel MCP Linz with which country? And options है मालदीव, इंडोनेशिया, म्यांमार और श्रीलंका. The correct answer is option number A यानी कि Maldives. Now let's have the explanation. The first ever cargo ferry services between India and the Maldives was jointly launched, opening a new chapter in the connectivity initiatives in the Indian Ocean region. The cargo ferry vessel MCP Linz, operated by the Shipping Corporation of India, will connect Tuticorin and Cochin ports in India with Kuludhufushi and Malé ports in the Maldives. Now let's have the seventh question. Which firm has acquired Australian IT firm DWS Limited for $115.8 million in a bid to further expand its digital offerings, especially in Australia and New Zealand? And options हैं Infosys, Mahindra and Mahindra, HCL Technologies and Wipro. The correct answer is option number C, yani HCL Technologies. Now let's have the explanation. HCL Technologies has announced the acquisition of Australian IT firm DWS Limited for $115.8 million in a bid to further expand its digital offering, especially in Australia and in New Zealand. Now let's have eighth question. Before Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who was the only Prime Minister of India to have received the LG Nobel Award? And options हैं PV नरसिम्हा राव, इंदर कुमार गुजराल, देन अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी और मनमोहन सिंह. तो देख सकते हैं आप इमेज में पीएम मोदी के साथ आपको किन की फोटो दिख रही है, वही है हमारे करेक्ट आंसर. एंड यू ऑल नो दैट द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी, अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी. नाउ लेट्स हैव द एक्सप्लेनेशन. In 2020, PM Modi became the second Indian Prime Minister to get the LG Nobel Award for using the COVID-19 pandemic to teach the world that politicians can have a more immediate effect on life and death than scientists can. The first was Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 1998, who was given the honor for his aggressively peaceful detonation of a nuclear weapon. Now let's have ninth question, जो कि based on है पोषण अभियान पर. Which ministry has signed a MOU with the Ministry of Women and Child Development in New Delhi for controlling malnutrition as a part of Poshan Abhiyan? And options है Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Home Affairs and Ministry of Ayush. The correct answer is option number D, yani Ministry of Ayush. Now let's have the explanation. A memorandum of understanding was signed between the Ministry of Ayush and Ministry of Women and Child Development in New Delhi for controlling malnutrition as a part of Poshan Abhiyan. Now let's have last question for today. Which state's agricultural university has introduced Jeevani, a health drink aimed at enhancing the immunity level of people? And options are Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu or Odisha. The correct answer is option number B, yani ki Kerala. Now let's have the explanation. Aimed at enhancing the immunity level of people, the Department of Post-Harvest Technology, Kerala Agriculture University has introduced Jeevani, a health drink in the market. तो ये थे आज के डेट के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स और उनके एक्सप्लेनेशन. एंड होप सो हमेशा की तरह आपको ये वीडियो आज का अच्छा लगा होगा, और अगर अच्छा लगा है तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और साथ साथ चैनल सब्सक्राइब ना किया तो सब्सक्राइब करें. मिलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय बाय.